I am on the top here on the second floor. Just want to show you how the finish going, the hebel panel. This is the balustrade, or call it parapet, whatever. Yeah, this is the hebel panel. Basically they put this button, they fix it to the stud, and then the hebel will come, and also they screw the hebel. This one is 50 mil. This is how it will be. Yeah, this is 90, 35, 50, and another one, and something will come on top of here. Yeah, you can see it's here, and then this one is the flush. When the water cannot come here and then just go there, because the roof is here. This is for this panel. Pink one is for fire resistant. Basically this is two houses together, and then they need to be separate with this. If there is a fire in the other house, it will reduce or stop the fire to go to the other unit. So it's come like that. Two together is already it's like stick together, and then this is the gap. They leave a gap like this, and then the other one also, when it's come, they put something here and then stick on the top, bottom, and it's already ready there. So going very well. Yeah, things are going. The last thing I just want to go and show you around the window on the facade. There is a good features there. Let's go.